Hi everyone, let's take a look at exercise 14-39, which is a relevant costing exercise that deals with a fairly common situation. We're dealing with the Global Chemical Company of Argentina, and they've been asked to take on producing a special order. And it's a product they don't normally make, but they used to use one of the key raw ingredients called, Theolite there. And it would require 8,000 kilograms of this, and they have 8,000 kilograms on hand from when they used to make a product that required the use of theolite. Now, here's some of the relevant costs and some of the irrelevant costs, and our job is to figure out which ones are relevant and which ones are not. Okay, it says that the theolite could be sold to a chemical wholesaler for 21,750 pesos. And the book value of what they have on hand is 3 pesos per kilogram. Now they could also buy theolite for 3.6 pesos per kilogram. And just as a frame of reference, when this exercise was written, the Argentine peso was equivalent to, what does it say, 1.0004 US dollars. So a peso is about equivalent to a US dollar. Okay, well let's determine what's the relevant cost in light of this special order for Global Chemical, and let's also discuss each of the numbers presented in regards to whether it's relevant for decision making. Okay, and I've done some of this off screen to save some time, so let me just paste it in. First, let's consider the sale of the theolite to a chemical wholesaler. Okay, the dollar amount is what? 21,750, and that's all in pesos. Is that relevant? I'm going to copy in my big X. Yes, it is. And the reason is because in light of this decision, this is a cost that would change. Therefore, it certainly is relevant. Okay. Now, the next item that they talk about is the book value. Okay, so the book value is 8,000 units times 3 pesos per unit. So we enter that, we're at 24,000 pesos. Now, is that relevant or irrelevant? Well, if you ask me, it's irrelevant because it's a book value, meaning it was paid for in the past. Whether or not we pursue this this special order, that cost won't change. And the reason it's irrelevant, it's a sunk cost. So let me go ahead and type that in. Now, the third cost information they give us in this problem is the current purchase cost, which is 8,000 times 3.6 kilograms. Well, what's the total number of that? Would be 8,000 pesos times 3.6, and now we're talking about 28,800 pesos. But I also think that's irrelevant. And the reason why this one is irrelevant in this case is it's not going to be an action that we would take. I just say won't be taken. Now I know that X doesn't appear exactly under the relevant cost. Maybe I should move this over just a bit. Slide that back so we can see a little bit more of it. And that really is the problem. So although they've given us 3 pieces of information, there really is only one relevant to consider for this decision. Thanks everyone.